So what's up with pool filters these days? Trying to decide which one is right for you? Basically, there are three types of filters: sand filters, cartridge filters, and diatomaceous earth filters, more commonly referred to as DE filters. Each of these filters will work quite well, but they each have their own drawbacks. Sand filters are very common. They will catch dirt and debris as small as 30 microns. These big round domes of sand are easy to use and allow for quick backwashing, which sends water backwards through the sand bed and out to waste, which helps give the sand a quick cleaning. Downside is you lose some of your pool water during this backwash and will have to replace it. If you live in an area with water limitations or a weak well, it might not be the best choice. While it's the slowest filter, it can be tweaked to catch smaller bits of debris if you add a small amount of DE to it. You can find directions for this on the TFP website. One common myth we've heard told us that you need to change your pool sand routinely. Poppycock. That sand has held up a bazillion years before going into your filter and will be just as good for years to come, assuring you haven't gummed it up with various pool store potions. A good cleaning of the sand once in a while is all it needs. Next up on our filter review is the cartridge filter. They're better at getting even smaller bits out of the water than the sand filter is, 10 microns. It's a good choice for those who want to limit pool water loss. To clean the filter, you take the panels out and spray them down with a hose. One handy tip is that if you oversize your cartridge filter, you can usually go longer between cleanings. You may need to occasionally replace panels if the fabric gets torn. Lastly, there's the DE filter. It's a serious filter, grabbing debris as small as 3 to 5 microns. You have to use it with the pool-specific DE powder, not the agricultural type. When it needs cleaning, it can be a bit more work than the other types of filters, because it is catching so much more debris. DE filter owners swear that it makes the water sparkle. Each filter should have a filter pressure gauge on it. We recommend cleaning the filter once the internal pressure of the filter, the PSI, raises 25% over your clean filter pressure. If you have questions, come ask them at Trouble Free Pool. We know pools.